My name is Andre, and I'm a technical director. I would rate Adobe Audition a 4 out of 5. For more reviews like this, click below. When considering other software options, I considered Pro Tools, Cubase, and a few other softwares that I'm just familiar with in music production. But I couldn't use those in my workflow because it just slowed things down because I like to work in DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere. And so that's why I couldn't choose go work with those. Adobe Audition was a no-brainer for me when working with videos because I could edit my videos in Adobe Premiere and edit in Adobe Audition and everything just automatically sync up. I didn't have to do any extra work. And being able to edit things in terms of compression, reverb, EQing items, all of it just communicated really well back and forth between Adobe Premiere and Adobe Audition. Getting started with Adobe Audition was pretty simple because the technical items, the technical terms and layout it translates really well if you're familiar with any working in any DAW such as Pro Tools or Logic or anything like that. The layout it really translates really well for someone that's familiar with that. For anyone that's considering Adobe Audition, I'll say consider your workflow first because that's gonna help you decide whether it's the best tool for you. And also it's gonna help you decide whether it has everything that you need. If there are plugins that you're familiar with and you want to bring into Adobe Audition, consider those items as well.